Peter, what are you doing? You've been out of work forever, and you promised me you were going out to look for a job today.
Oh, okay, I'll go look for a job, Lois. Oh, what is this? The latest Red Book. Is she gone?
All right, Mr. Griffin. Jobs you think you would be suited for. Let's see what you wrote. Cowboy, astronaut, warlock, more powerful astronaut, beer expert.
Yeah, and I need something that pays more than my last job as Sandy Duncan's glass eye. Hey, Sandy. Sandy.
What?
What are you buying?
Some breakfast cereal?
I don't get that. That's a bad cereal. Get some of the blueberry.
Huh. Turns out there's a job opening at the Pawtucket Brewery.
Wow, that sounds even better than when I got paid to take part in that study.
The only one who couldn't finish the puzzle is the fat one.
I'm sorry, I can't see what you're going for here. Let me look at... Oh, it's a jar of preserves. Oh, yeah, I guess that's what all the red pieces were, huh?
Peter, I just found this note in Chris's room. He ran away to join the Peace Corps.
Oh, my God, give me that. No, that. Dumb. I'm bored with it now. Boy, this place sure has changed since Pawtucket Pat sold it.
So this is where you'll be working, Mr. Griffin? Oh, and I should mention, employees are welcome to free Pawtucket Ale. We just ask that you don't drink during your shift.
That won't be a problem, sir.
Great. Well, I'll be right back with your ID badge. Mr. Griffin, what happened to your pants?
Oh, look who's here, mister. I don't have time for your Little League games. Come here, you son of a bitch. Why do you close your eyes when we make love?
Oh, I wonder how your father's first day at work went.
Dad? What the hell are you doing?
Yeah, hey, buddy. I'll have a triple cheeseburger and a large fries, and, do you sell pants?
Hey, Meg, what's with all the beer cans?
Oh, my dad got a job at the brewery, and he gets lots of free beer. Actually, he's kind of been going overboard lately.
Oh, my God.
Hey, Meg, you see my pants? Oh, Lois, by the way, we're out of toilet paper.